Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sachin V. Bangale working as Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Vedak College of Science, Tala. Now today I am here teach the name of the topic inner transition element. Content of the today's here the introductions, here block elements, position in the periodic table, lanthanide contraction, oxidation state, magnetic property, color of the lanthanide, complex formation, extraction of lanthanides from monozoid sand, similarities of the lanthanides and actinides, dissimilarity of the lanthanides and actinides, and lastly applications of the lanthanides. The introductions of the inner transition element, study of large number of elements has become easier and is more systematic way because of grouping of these elements on the basis of electronic configuration. The last electron decide characteristic properties of particular elements and hence it is called differentiating electron. The classification of a block element depending upon whether the last electron entire F4F orbital or F5F orbital. The F block element have been classified into two series. The first series lanthanide series or first inner transition series. The second series actinide series or second inner transition series. Here in this periodic table, see these are the lanthanide series and these are the actinide series. The lanthanide series elements in which the last electron enters one of the four orbitals are called 4 block elements. They are also called as elements of first inner transition series. There are 14 elements in this series. They are from cerium 58 to 71 lutetium. These elements lie between 57 lanthanum and 72 hafnium. Since these elements follow lanthanium, they are also known as lanthanides or lanthanons or lanthanoid. The elements were also called as rare earths. Then actinide series, the elements in which the last electron entire one of the 5f orbitals are called 5f block element. They are also called as elements of second inner transition series. There are 14 elements in this series from 90 thorium to 103 lawrencium. The 14 elements lies between 89 actinium and 104 protomanium, and this series is also actinide series because it follow elements actinium and show many similarities in properties with actinium. Actinides also called as actinoids or actinons. These are the lanthanide series and these are the actinide series. 14 elements of each series. The next point, position in the periodic table for inner transition elements. All elements belongs to a blocks are placed in group 3. The group numbers of these elements is assigned depending upon number of valency electron present in atoms of the elements. In case of F block elements, the outer three principal cells are incomplete since general electronic configurations of these elements is N 1 to 14 electron, N D 0 to 1, N S 2. These elements are placed in group 3. All the elements belongs to a block show similar property and hence they are placed in the same group of the periodic table. The F block elements belongs to 6th and 7th periodic respectively in the periodic table, and these two series of the elements consisting of 14 elements are placed separately in two horizontal rows at the periodic table. These are the periodic table. Here the representations of the elements, here these are the S block elements, these are the transition element, it is also known as D block elements. Then p block elements at the bottom side. Here the inner transition elements. These are the lanthanide series and these are the actinide series. Then next points, electronic configurations of the lanthanides. In lanthanide series, it is also known as 4F block series. Total 14 elements are present in the lanthanide series. The name of the elements is lanthanium, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, arabium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. These are the 14 elements. Here the short form used for these lanthanide series are here Lata come Pune, not picture scene, enjoy garden today, holiday, enjoy there you love. These are the short form used for the lanthanide series. Lata come Pune, not picture scene, enjoy garden today, holiday, there you love. The symbol of this series LACE, ER, ND, PM, SM, EU, GD, TB, DY, HO, ER, TM, YB, LU. And these are the atomic number. There are two types of the electronic configurations of the lanthanide series. Expected electronic configurations and observed electronic configurations. Say for example here, Lanthanium atomic number 57, its expected electronic configurations Xe F0 4F0 5D1 6S2, cerium Xe 4F1 5D1 6S2. These are the electronic configurations of the lanthanide series. Then electronic configurations of the actinide series. Actinide series also known as 5F block series. It is the total number of elements in actinide series 14 elements. The name of the elements actinium, thorium, protoactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, and last lawrencium. The short form useful for this actinide series Asha Thorn pocket, under narrow pool, and clear bison, clear engineer for making nice love. This short form useful for the actinide series. The symbol of this series AC, TH, PA, U, NP, PU, AM, CM, BK, CF, ES, FM, MD, NO, LR. These are the atomic number of this series. For example, electronic configurations of the actinium, aryan 5F0, 6D0, 7S2, thorium, aryan 540, 6D2, 7S2, likewise. These are the electronic configurations of the actinide series. Then chemistry of lanthanides. Atomic and ionic size, the lanthanide contractions. As the atomic number increases, each succeeding element contains one or electron in the 4f orbital and one proton in the nucleus. The 4f electrons are ineffective in screening the outer electrons from the nucleus, causing imperfect shielding. As a result, there is a gradual increase in the nucleus attraction for the outer electrons. Consequently, gradual decreases in size occurs, and this is called as lanthanide contractions. See the diagram here. These are the lanthanide and these are the lutetium. This is the order of shielding effect of the electron. As the atomic number lanthanium to Lu increases in the lanthanide series from every proton added to the nucleus, the extra electron goes to fill 4f orbital. 4f electron constitutes inertial and therefore are not effective in shielding the nuclear charge. The consequence of the lanthanide construction, atomic size. The size of the atoms of third transition series is nearly the same as that of the atoms of the second transition series. For example, radius of ZR, radius of HF, and radius of NB and radius of TA. The difficulty in the separation of lanthanide, as there is and only small changes in the ionic radii of lanthanides, and their chemical properties are similar, and this makes the separations of the lanthanides in the pure states difficult. Effect on the basis strength of hydroxide: as the size of the lanthanide decreases from lanthanium to lutetium, the covalent character of these hydroxide increases, and hence their basic strength decreases. Thus, the lanthanium oxalate is more basic than the lutetium oxalate in the last basic. The next consequence of the lanthanides, the complex formation. Because of these similar size but higher nuclear charge tendency to form coordinate, the complexes increases from La3 plus to Lu3 plus. And last consequence, electronegativity, it is increases from La to Lu. Then oxidation state of the lanthanides. All the elements in the lanthanide series show a oxidation state of +3. Earlier it was believed that the sum of the metal samarium, europium and ytterbium also show +2 oxidation state. Further studied on the metal and their compounds have revealed that all the metals in lanthanide series exhibits +2 oxidation state in their complexes in the solution. A few metals in the lanthanide series shows +4 oxidation state, and the distributions of the oxidation states among the metal is attributed to the high stability of empty half filled or fully filled subshell. Here the common oxidation state of +3, and these are the more stable, and here Ln, Pm, HO, Eb, Lu +3, Ce, Pr, Tb, Dy +3 oxidation state and +4. The elements of Sm, Eu, Tm, Yb +2 +3 oxidation state, and Nd the +2 +3 oxidation state. Then magnetic properties of the lanthanide series. Ions which contains all paired electrons are diamagnetic, when those containing unpaired electrons are paramagnetic. Among the lanthanides, La3 plus 4F0 and Lu3 plus 4F14 are diamagnetic. All trivalent lanthanide ions are paramagnetic due to unpaired electrons. Then color of the lanthanides. The color of the lanthanides from F to F transitions. F to F transitions are much weaker and narrower than those of DD transition, and this makes the color of lanthanide complexes far fainter than those of the transition metal complex. And here see the approximate color of the lanthanides ions in aqueous solution. Here the oxidation state +2, the color of the samarium 2 plus, red color, oxidation states +3, the color of the LaCe, Pr, Nd, Pm, Sm, and here Dy, Ho, Er, the color of the lanthanide series. Likewise color here +4 oxidation state, Ce 4 plus, Pr 4 plus, Nd 4 plus. These are the colors are observed in the lanthanide series. Then complex formation. The lanthanides do not show much tendency to form complexes due to low charge density because of their size. However, the tendency to form complex and their stability increases with increasing atomic number. The next point, extractions of lanthanides from monozoide sand. Extraction of lanthanide mixture. Monozoide ore is finely powdered and digested with hot concentrated sulfuric acid in cast iron pans when thorium and lanthanides goes into solution as their sulfate, and then pesty mass of this sulfate is agitated with water and then filtered to remove silica. The formation of H3PO4 makes the solution acidic. When it is neutralized with ammonia or magnesia mixture, thorium phosphate is a precipitate and removed. And then solution containing the phosphates of lanthanide is treated with Na2SO4 with light lanthanides La2SM are precipitated as double sulfates, while the heavier lanthanide Gd2Lu remains in solution as simple sulfates. Then precipitate double sulfates are treated with NaOH when hydroxides of light lanthanides are formed. The hydroxides are washed and dried in air at 100 degrees centigrade to get oxides of light lanthanides. The oxides are treated with dilute HNO3 when cerium is precipitated to CeO2. The solution contains nitrate of La, Pr, Nd and Sm. From these, the individual lanthanides are separately by the suitable methods. The separations of the lanthanides, the fractional crystallization method. The separations of lanthanides ions by this method is based on the slight difference in the solubility. The fractional precipitation method, the difference in slightly of lanthanide complex in the basic principles of this method. Solvent extraction method, this method works on the slight difference in the partition coefficients of the salts of lanthanides between water and organic solvent. And ion exchange method, this is the most elegant for lanthanide separation. It is based on the principle of selective exchange of lanthanides ions with H plus ions on the cations exchange region. The similarities of the lanthanides and actinides. Here both the series contains 14 elements each. Lanthanides and actinides involving filling of f orbitals and thus similar in many respects. The most common oxidation state in the +3 for both lanthanides and actinides. Both are electropositive in nature and they very reactive. Magnetic and spectral properties are both the lanthanides, actinides. Actinides exhibits actinides contractions just like lanthanides. Most of the lanthanides and actinides cations are paramagnetics. The elements in both the series have three outermost shell partly filled. The dissimilarity of the lanthanides and actinides. The lanthanides, they have identical chemical property. Actinides variation is observed in their chemical property. Lanthanide, they have high binding energy. Actinide, their binding energy is small. Lanthanide, these elements exhibits oxidation states up to +4. Then actinides, these elements oxidation states up to +7. The lanthanides 4f electrons have better shielding. Actinides 4f electrons have poor shielding effect. The lanthanide, the paramagnetic property of the lanthanides can be easily explained. In actinium, magnetic property of the actinides are quite complex. Lanthanides, they hardly form complexes. Actinides, they form complex readily. In lanthanides, promethium except all are non-radioactive. Actinides, all them are radioactive. Lanthanides, their compounds are less basic. Actinium, their compounds are more basic. Then applications of the lanthanides, application in glass polishing and ceramic, applications of the lanthanides in nuclear industry, catalytic applications of the lanthanide, application in electronic industry, application in medical field, application in developing technology, and then lastly magnetic application. Application in the glass polishing and ceramic, used to impart hardness, strength and inertness, used to color ceramic and glass, used in the productions of red color or television screen, used to reduce gallery, used in the productions of UV resistance glass, and used in the productions of optical lenses. The radioactive behavior of the lanthanides, used as a beta source, nuclear power battery in the production of electricity, used as a traces in the treatments of the cancer, in tomography, radiotherapy. Then catalytic applications of the lanthanides, to alter the electrophilicity of the compounds used as a biofuel catalyst in automobile emission control, the oil refining industry, automotive catalytic converter. Application in electronic industry in the production of television screen used to form silicon chip, long life rechargeable battery, light emitting diodes, compact fluorescent lamp used to produce Bangi scanner. Applications of the lanthanides in the medical field: magnetic resource imaginary contact agents, portable X-ray machines, nuclear medicine imaging for genetic screening tests, medical and dental lasers, cancer treatments application. Then applications of the lanthanides in the developing technology in the productions of high temperature superconductors used to prepare highly refractive glass, mercury vapor lamps used in the nuclear fuel rods, radar detection devices used in the productions of the laser, optical glass, fiber optics and measures. The magnetic applications of the lanthanides: radar is a military application used in the hybrid car, used as a educational toys, propulsion systems in the productions of headphones and speakers. Lastly, thank you very much.